Alright, so these are going to be the brackets for the bottom of the seat. There's the hardware for them. These are for the back of the seat, the middle back. Hardware for them. And these are going to be the ones for the skinny back of the seat. The far back, not the part that you put your back on. Hardware for that. Here's your 3 seat belts. Hardware that goes with them. Impact 17mm socket, 17mm wrench, 16mm wrench, and a 6mm Allen. These are your 3 legs. All the hardware that goes with each of them. And this is the bottom of the seat. So we have it flipped upside down right now. Make sure these are facing up so you can put your legs on the back. So this is how it goes together. Take one of these, put it in place. You got your holes for it. And this one here has a hole in it right there, which goes to this one, so you don't need a nut with it. Shows you exactly where to put them. Alright, so you take these brackets, 2 nuts, 2 of the longer bolts. It needs to line up with the hole that's in this. So that's what the short bolt is for. Okay, so you don't want to cover that. So we'll start right here. So this is the U-bracket. Fits the front part of your legs. The smaller ones, you can see the size difference, fit these ones. So this bar and that bar back there, they won't fit that one at all.
The next step is to flip over the frame.
Then we're going to start with the metal brackets. So take this, 2 of these, 2 nuts. You'll see the holes. So these go with these 2 holes. Now you're noticing that the slanted side is going to the front of the seat.
16mm.
And the nut is still a 17mm. Next step is to put the seat belts together. Now this is where the Allen is going to come in. You got the rounded bolts, Allen wrench. Put that on. Put that through. You'll see it's on this side. I'm going to take this round to the back, and it's going to go on this side, and that one's going to be your buckle part. And this one is going to go this way on it. Go right on here, the inside of the bracket. Okay. It's already in, just line them up. Same with this side. It's just basically keeping a thumb on that. And stand the seat up, trying not to scratch it all. And that one's in. We're just screwing the nuts onto the bottom of these. This little string up on top. Pull it up. Falls down. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the back on it. With the little hook on them. A little bit different from the seat ones. One of these. So this one right here. It's right there. Slide that right in the hole there. So the last part of it, brackets for the bottom of the seat. Take one of your brackets, 2 nuts, 2 bolts. Slant is going towards the back of the seat. Tighten one side down.
That's 16?
Yeah, 16 wrench, 17 socket. All the nuts are 17s, but these ones up here are 16s. These ones are 17s. Now, one of these little buggers, plastic washer. Hole right there, thing right there. This side. Put that right in there. Out. That works. That folds down. Put your seat belts in so they don't tear up the back of your seat. Alright. That folds down there. That folds down there.